one of these hawker stalls. They're starting to pop up. I'm over in Sala Daeng. There's a few of them there. There's one or two areas over towards the Sala Daeng area to the left by the main road by the BTS. And then this is off one of the side roads too. They're kind of like Singapore hawker stalls, but more street food. A little bit of everything. So you got all kinds of stuff in here. Fried. I like the fried, like shiitake type mushrooms, or maybe it's some other. It's Japanese style mushroom. They're good. But everything. Omelet. I'm just walk through here. Seemed tofu, right? Tofu. Yeah, I was right. See, I like it when I'm right. Just gonna walk through now. I'm at late lunch, so some of the stuff will be gone or not going on, but usually it goes on till about 2 o'clock. And you can even get your cosmetic personal care here. A little bit of everything. I usually try to put, people ask me where it is. Well, if I don't say, I just say the area, like this is Silom, Sala Daeng, I will try to put the actual map link in the description usually, or it'll be really close to where that is, okay? If it's talking about a mall or a walking street, but if it's not, if it's just me doing a random video about a city, it might not be in there. It might just be the city map link, just for the record. But if it's an actual particular place that you want to find like this, now this is where you're going to pay. There's no air conditioner. You have these fans, but it is still hot in here. Remember that, especially if you're not used to it. You're from a city that's way north. But the prices will be more reasonable in here. So anywhere from, I see 50 baht chicken and rice, 60, 80, 100. So looks like 50 to about 120. So with the water, might be another sit baht, which is like 20 cents or 30 cents or something. And not more than that. What am I saying? 20, it'd be 10 baht. Yeah, it'd be about 50 cents or something, 40 cents. Anyway, water's cheap. It's under $1. Coke will be a little under $1 too. But this is where you're going to get reasonably priced type food. For $2, maybe $3 with a water or Coke you can eat. And there's actually, people have gotten up probably in the last 45 minutes, but during the peak 11:30 to 12:30, it's at 12:51 right now. People have got to get back to the office local. So either come early 11 or you come at 1:15 if you want to get a seat. Just a little tip there. Don't come right at your lunchtime, because the locals want to eat and they try to come out of that office quick as soon as their 1 hour lunch is started, or maybe they only get 30 minutes or 45. All right, let's go look at the food. Just a variety of food. You got pak pao over here. You got some different types of Asian soup and dumpling, and then you got, looks like isan with sometime and different type. You're gonna have meat on a stick scattered out like right here. You see this? So you got pork and chicken is the two big meat besides seafood in Thailand. Now if you see this, you pick it, make sure he puts it on the grill, because if you don't, and they serve it with this hot sauce right here, you can find this in Tesco, Lotus, or Big C food court. It's going to be about the same. So he's buying this shit from the grocery store and bringing it here. So, but the sauce is the takeaway. It's great. It's a nice spicy sauce, you know. And look at this guy. He's got a state prison shirt on. It's not real. It's just kind of like a pop culture thing. I don't want to go to state prison. I've been into jail a few times in my younger years. Don't know. Now I'm be lit wearing a jumpsuit around like that, orange. But a mechanic shirt's kind of trending, which I actually was in that career for a few years. So I got real mechanic shirts for automotive and airlines. But anyway, service technician, you know. All right, I'm walking out of here, but this This is what you get right here in Bangkok variety. There's starting to be some little hawker stalls. You can actually sit down. I hate it when I'm at a walking street and I want to eat right then and I'm not going back to my apartment. I don't have nowhere to sit. So usually all I do is the finger food and then I keep going unless I take it back. I mean, they'll bag it up. Like this is more finger food. Hello, so what they got? And then this is smoothie right here. But yeah, it's good. Yeah. But they add some sweetness to it. So if you see that, and carnation, if you see that, then it's kind of a mix. I like it when it's just fruit, maybe a little honey, you know what I mean? A little milk. I don't want all that, you know, stuff in a bottle. You guys check it out. Guy with a little ice cream cart right here. And see, what's funny is he does ice cream sandwich. It's actually a real sandwich. It's actually real bread. It's not like you see in the West where it's like more of a cookie. He actually does a real. It's kind of funny. It's not for me, but it's a real ice cream sandwich. You see, here it is right here. And one day my girlfriend said, do you want ice cream sandwich? I thought it was like the one for West where it has like the cookie black wafer, you know what I'm talking about? No, they give you an actual piece of like hot dog loaf or something, you know, with ice cream in it.